Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your Devops SRE DevSecOps coach. Okay, so Terraform functions. So what is a Terraform function? So for every language we have a function, built-in functions. Okay, so do the Terraform also have it? So Terraform we have a lots of function. Basically the function which you give the some parameter and get you the output. So function we use for minimize the code writing and all kind of things. So yes, built-in functions are there. Can we create a custom function? So no, Terraform do not allow you to write a custom functions for time being. Maybe in future it may allow. So yeah, the Terraform language includes a number of built-in function that you can call from within expressions to translate and combine values. So if you see that here, max is one function and the parameter for this is this one, and then whatever the max number you will get the results. So there are different types of functions are there: numeric function, string functions, collection function, encoding function, file system function, date and time functions, and so on. Now here if you see that this is the good place to check it out. Terraform function. So this all documentations is getting updated here, and you see that left side uh, here: numeric function, string function, collection function, encoding functions, file system functions, all this thing. So you can check it out this also. So a lot of functions are there. Some of them we'll use now for the demo. So here you see that one example for it. So here if you want to convert, there's a variable, you see this is a string type variable, and if you want to convert into the CIDR format, there's one function we are using, CIDR subnet function var dot network underscore info, which is a variable, and this is in a format you want to convert it. So here you have so many functions, like one of the function is base name, and base name input required the path, it will return the file name, the last element of the path. Like that we have a coalesce functions which will return the first non require the two string or multiple string and return the first non-empty value and return the first non-empty value, empty list, which is a call list actually. Here you have element function which require the input as a list and index, return the single element from the list at a given index. Some of the examples you can see right side, you have it. Here you have a index function, join function. Lookup function is very important. So if you remember that there's a variable type which is a map, and you want to look up, you want to look at the one of the key and value. So just use the lookup function and provide the name of the map and the key, and automatically it will return the values of it. So this is the one of the most used function which we have. Split function we have it, substring functions. Split function split the string into the list. Substring function extract substring from the string. So hundreds of functions are there: timestamp function, upper function, lower functions, map function, merge the two map you want to merge into one. So there's one merge function, replace function, UUID function, values functions, and all. So yeah, there's a lot of function, depends on that how do you use it. Now I want to show you one command
Mhm.
which I mean one console which you can use it for checking the function and their output. So for example, go, let's say, go to the command line and type Terraform console. If you really quickly check the function and their output, so then you can use it. So this Terraform console where we can write a Terraform function and get to the output. So for example, let's try some of the function. Just copy paste here. See here. So I type max 5, 12, 9. So it give you that output. So console command, it's a very easy to use it,
Mhm.
and you know, you can check the functions and output copy problem is there.
Can you show me with the for the lookup? I mean, maybe lookup and the one which is mostly used and
Yeah.
regularly used.
So yeah. So here this is a string function.
Hmm.
Now there is one function which you can use it upper, lower, all this thing you can try see here upper. So copy. It's not typing actually. That's the problem. Hmm. Enter. See here. So there's one function hello, and then it
Hmm.
print this one. Now, how do we use that in the real world? So let's look at the example for it. So here, Terraform function. Now, if you see that here, this one. Now, here, see here, in this here, count function has been used. Here, if you see that, element function has been used. So what exactly element will do? The element function allows you to select the specific element from the list. So here, this is the list. The first element you are asking to be here, subnet ID. Here you are using the join function. That means it will join the two string. Okay, join the list of string into single string. So if you see that here, look at this. Join this one, comma, the output of this one into one. So here you are joining this one. Here you are using the merge. So if you look at this here, merge function allow you to merge multiple map into single map. So here you are adding the one map and second map where extra tags is the map. Okay, so these are the some of the use cases also. You can check it out. Now let me look up um, look up one. Let's use this. So uh, Terraform lookup. So here uh, built-in function data type map. So this we have covered last time also. So if you see that here, this code, look at this here. Uh, look up.
Okay.
See here. So here, look at this variable. Whatever I'm selecting, just look at the code. So this is the one variable. Variable type is map. Okay. Now
Hmm.
here, what you are trying to find out, instead of here, there's one option number one. You can use the map where key you pass it, you get a value. That's one thing. But easy way, here you are passing size is one variable you are setting is equal to lookup. Now this is the old style. Right now you don't have to use it. So lookup var dot status size, which is here and here. So here this is the map, and now what is the key? So here var dot plans 5 USD. So plans is a one more variable which is here. So see here, this is the map and this is the key, and you type key which is here, it will return this one, and this one is equal to 25. So like that you can use a lookup here. So lookup functions look up for the map and give you the results. Got it?
I'm little confused here. The
See here,
one is the here the key is provided, but in the another one variable there is no key, right? Then
is the
how it
is is there no
will
let is there let me show you. Look at this this code.
Mm-hmm.
So first thing, let's figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
Lookup needs what input? So lookup need map
Mm-hmm.
and key, correct now?
Yeah.
So now, is it the var.storage size is map? So
Mm-hmm.
is it map? Agree with me?
Yeah.
Now, second input is required key.
Mm-hmm.
Key should be one of these. But here what is happening? This key is being taken from var.plans. Plans is also map, and
Okay.
this is a key. So this the value will return for this one is this
Mm-hmm.
one. Whereas this will be used here, the return will be 25.
Okay, okay, okay. So you can fetch a value from a map in this format as well, var.plan. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
From
So this is how you can use the functions in the code.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, so
Uh,
console also you can try for quick
mhm.
results and so on. So look at this one example more. Here there's a map, and key where the return will be AMIs hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a console again and so on. Now these functions are the built-in
Just one
function.
question. If why do we need to use then look up them and we can fetch the value directly with the value of key? I mean,
Very good question. So here uh, what happens uh, when you have the the code where you are looking for some key, you want to pass it from the different location, then it is good for it. But if you are reading only one map, then you can
mhm.
specify that one and get it done. So no need to have a
Okay.
lookup actually for that.
Okay. And I have seen Lambda function also. So, I mean, is it used mostly used function in Terraform, or it's not being?
That's a Python function, so that is not related to Terraform function. So
Mm-hmm.
that is related to, you know, here. This is the different modules actually, and so on. So this is a one resources. So like that.
Okay, it's not a function, but
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
okay. So,
It's one of the provider, and provider have a resources. That is it.
okay, okay.
Okay, so here if you are interested, which are the function is being called when you do apply. So is being called create and read, two functions getting called. When you say plan, read function is being called. These are all inbuilt function. When you say update, first read and then update and read function is being called. When you see the force update, these are the functions, and destroy, read and delete. So read means, oh, whenever you see the red, so this will read your Terraform and then show files, I mean state files, and compare it and then accordingly decide what to do.
Is there any possibility to see how these functions are written for the Terraform to, I mean, this inbuilt function to be used?
Yeah,
Uh,
Terraform is open source code actually. So you can check this all this code in Golang. This is the code actually. So somewhere in this folder, some this code will be mentioned. It's open source code. Anyone can see that.
okay.
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.